In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete lists in Trello. Lists in Trello are vital for organizing your workflow. These lists contain all the cards that make up your Trello board, effectively serving as sections that categorize different tasks or ideas. But sometimes, you may want to clean up your board by removing a list that is no longer needed, and I'm here to guide you through that process step by step. Let's begin by focusing on the list you wish to delete. You'll notice a three-dot icon, which is sometimes referred to as the More Options menu, located on the list itself. Clicking on this icon will present you with several options for managing your list. Within this menu, you should see the option labeled Archive this list. Archiving is essentially the first step in the deletion process, as it allows Trello to move your list out of your immediate workspace without permanently erasing it right away. Once you've archived the list, we'll move on to the deletion step. You'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your Trello board, where you'll notice another three-dot icon. Go ahead and click on this icon to access the board's broader options. Here, you should find a menu item called Archived Items. Selecting this will lead you to a page displaying all of the cards you've archived across your board. But cards aren't our focus right now. What we want to do is switch the view from cards to lists. Look for the option that says Switch to List and click it. Now, you're set up to view all archived lists within the board. It's a useful feature that allows you to manage lists separately from individual cards, and it's particularly handy when your board has become cluttered over time. At this stage, you'll see a listing of all the archived lists in the board, including the one you just archived. Scan through the list to identify the specific list you want to permanently delete. Once you've located it, simply click on Delete. With this final step, your list is no longer part of your board. Your workspace becomes a little tidier, and you've successfully completed the deletion process. To wrap up, remember that when lists are archived in Trello, they're not immediately deleted, offering a graceful fallback if you ever change your mind. However, following the steps as outlined, you can easily manage the archived lists and delete them when you're sure they're no longer needed. And there you have it, how to delete a list in Trello. With this guide, you should be able to manage your Trello board more efficiently, keeping it clean and organized to better suit your productive needs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.